Hi, I had 102 beauty products to finish up by the end of February. Let's see how I have done in March. The first product, makeup. This is an eyebrow pencil. It is the Finged Designing Eyebrow Pencil. It's a Korean brand. All gone, as you can see there. The opposite end is just a spoolie, which I will be keeping here to brush my eyebrows. So this, it wasn't nice. I didn't like it. I used it up, because I had to finish it. I didn't like wasting product. That's why I used it up. Otherwise, a lot of these products, some brands, benefit, for instance, or Anastasia Beverly Hills for another. Those work very well for the eyebrows. Other than that, a lot of brands don't really work very well on my eyebrows. So this wasn't a product that I really enjoyed, and I will not be repurchasing it. Now, toner, there are two. This one I used on the neck and body, elbows and things really, backs of the hands and so on. Institutum Resurfacing Glow Toner, all gone. This came in the Skin City Advent Calendar, not last year's. I didn't buy last year's, ages before that. I don't use acid on my face anymore because my face has exploded. There's a video on that. Post-vaccination, my skin has been very wonky. So yeah, I don't use acid on my face anymore. This had arrived before my skin went bonkers. So it contains glycolic acid, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, provitamin B5 and chamomile. It wasn't very groundbreaking. Dr. Dennis Crow's sulfur beta peels give you far better results, and I would recommend those as a very solid acid exfoliating product over something like this. Won't be repurchasing this either. The next one though is a favorite. It is also a toner. I mean, it's not a toner, I would call it a treatment product. SK2 facial treatment essence, 75 ml. I bought a bigger one. So this lasted around 4 months, I think. For me, more than 4. Probably bought it around September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 5 months. Yeah, that's not too bad at all. 5 months, 75 ml. So I've got a 200 ml bottle already, which I expect to last hopefully for the rest of this year. Because it is terribly, terribly expensive, people. The only way I will be buying it is if I get a lot of Yes Style points, reward points and things, which isn't in my hands. And you know that I don't really go after affiliate money on this channel, or go after anything really, freebies or anything at all on this channel. I just do this for a lark. So we'll be repurchasing this. I absolutely love this. I've talked about this last year. It was among my favorite products for 2022. For me, what it does is it ever so slightly helps reduce the sharpness of pitted acne scars over time. And you need to stop using it to see the difference. We'll always repurchase this. Right, serum. Now, this is a product that I've shown you before, but this particular packaging you haven't seen before. It's glossy finish, the bottle. Purito Centella Unscented Serum, my absolute holy grail serum. I love this and will repurchase this forever unless they go and reformulate or discontinue it. I hope they don't. Absolutely brilliant product. Contains peptides, niacinamide, ceramides, centella extract, and is oil-free, essential oil-free and fragrance-free. Absolutely love it. They redone the packaging, so you used to get this in a brown box, external box. Now you get it in a white box, and the bottle itself is glossy finish. It used to be matte finish. We'll always repurchase this. Facial essence, I know it says cream in here, but this actually acts as an essence. Maison Snail Repair Perfect Cream, all gone. Works as an essence. You do this right before your serum or above your serum, before your cream. It's sort of something that absorbs very, very quickly. Again, helps with pitted acne scars. Maison Snail all-in-one repair products do that. But I no longer buy this because I'm no longer fond of snail products on this channel. This is something that I had ages ago from a beauty box. Will not be repurchasing. Now, the next one is the Derisium cream containing pure ceramide and DNA. This is another Korean product that came in a beauty box. For my face, I don't think it was enough. I think there's some flaking and peeling over here. You can't tell at this distance, hopefully. So this was definitely not enough. Petrolatum is much better. I had to start layering CeraVe above this, which doesn't make sense. You only need one face cream. You don't need a million. So I won't be repurchasing this. The next one I used as a neck cream. Verite all-in-one cream. The thing with all-in-one creams is they are one-step routines. You know, they act as toners, and act as serums, and act as moisturizers. For my part, I used this on the neck, and I don't really think it made any difference to my neck. Won't be repurchasing as a result. This is another Korean product that I got in a beauty box sometime in the dark ages. Now, eye product. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Serum, not cream. Yeah, the cream comes in a little pot. This is the serum version. I don't think it made any difference to my under eye area. You know, there are far better eye creams out there that do make a difference and don't cost a bomb. For that reason, I will not be repurchasing this one either. Now, lip product. This is really, really cute. Look at that. It's a little cupcake. Yeah, this is the Holika dessert lip balm. They had about 6 or 7 pots of these. Hang on, let me just open that and show you. It's all gone. Smells all right. Very mild. These aren't really enough. You know, you can't compare these with the NYX Rev de Mille lip balm, for instance. They're very mild, better for the summer, but then I started using these. The reason I finished this up is because I want to keep this. You know, these are collectibles. That's why. Otherwise, the lip balm itself isn't anything to write home about. The product itself, there are far better lip balms out there, but these are collectibles and they are discontinued. So I will be keeping this. Body scrub. That's actually a face scrub, which I used as a body scrub. Elangil Energizing Foaming Scrub. This was really, really lovely as a body scrub. It was foaming, it was herbal, it smelled herbal in a good way, not, you know, annoying pungent herbs, pleasant herbs. It was very refreshing and the foam was very soothing as well. It wasn't a harsh scrub at all. I would love to repurchase this as a body scrub. I actually got this as a gift with purchase when I bought from Spanish retailer Maquilala. So some of these, you know, very niche beauty retailers have some really good offers. They also send you Haribo chocolate, candy, once in a while, you know, around Christmas time or something. So that's a nice place to order from if there are discounts and offers and codes. So this came as a gift with purchase from them. I'd love to repurchase this. Let me see, I've got 2 more body scrubs to use up after that. Continuing with Bath & Body Care, Bath & Body Works, Japanese Cherry Blossom. The notes are Japanese Cherry Blossom, Asian Pear and Fresh Mimosa Petals. This smelled absolutely nice. Very spring-ish, you know, cherry blossom. Loved it. I want more of this eventually once I run out of all Bath & Body products. This is one to repurchase because the fragrance was so good and it was actually quite long lasting. Normally Bath & Body Works body creams, you know, the fragrance doesn't really last on you. This one does last a bit. So love this very much. Hair Care, Palmer's Olive Oil Replenishing Conditioner. Bought ages ago when traveling in an emergency or something. Didn't like it, was greasy, weighed down the hair. Finally finished up. Will never repurchase people. So this hasn't been a very good month, has it? I mean, there are some holy grails such as the SK2, the Purito St. Laurent scented cream, but you know, the vast majority of the products I don't really love so much. Yeah, the Japanese Cherry Blossom and the body scrub I like. The rest of them I couldn't give an arse about. That's 4 products that I actually like. So how many did I use up this month? 12 products that I used up this month. That leaves me with 90 to do for the rest of this year. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out. Now I want you to tell me what you've used up this month. Tag me in your empties if you're posting it somewhere. Otherwise, you know, just tell me in the comments below what you have used up and how you are getting along with your project plan target for this year. Yeah, so that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell and I'll speak to you soon.